Good morning, friends. Today we're going to touch the topic of perfection. What is perfection and how to achieve it? So, friends, a lot of people want to be perfect but don't end up being perfect. So, how to be perfect? Perfection is an art. Perfection can be achieved in anything you do. There are simple steps which need to be followed to achieve perfection. Suppose you want to learn piano. How do you start? You don't know anything. So, first, you have to bring out that thought to learn a piano and the desire to learn a piano. Then you start imagining you're playing a piano and the universe will start acting on it. From your side, what you need to do is understand what a piano is all about, understand the notes, train your mind, go to a mentor who can teach you what it is all about, go deeper into it, dwell deeper. Don't get just excited with the sounds which come out once you start playing the piano. Be calm, be aware of what you're doing, be aware that you're going to play the piano, be aware it's going to be a beautiful experience. But then anything beautiful comes only when you are perfect or you have achieved a certain amount of mastery over it, and then beauty starts coming. That beauty lasts forever because it will never leave you. So, the most important thing to understand is your mind is your greatest friend into achieving what you need to achieve. It's like a computer. You use your computer in a well mannered way, you can get extreme amount of results. If you use it in a detrimental way, it will be a piece of electronic hardware for you. Same is the mind. So once you have decided to play the piano, bring in your mind, make it understand, make it know what you want to do, and it will automatically start working out miracles. The problem is a lot of people don't involve their mind into the process. Mind is like a tool which is given by God to do anything you want to do. But the moment you are not aware of your mind, of its existence in you, then it's very, very difficult. So, train your mind and slowly start doing your work, start doing your playing, start doing your thing. And this should continue for minimum 60 days because that is the period when that activity goes to the subconscious mind and it registers with the subconscious mind. So, get into it and slowly, don't lose the passion. Keep looking at newer things, keep looking at newer techniques, keep training your mind, keep making your mind better, better, better. And by the end of 60 days, you would have learned to play a piano. So, friends, basically, this is what happens to anything new you want to do or anything which is already there with you and you want to take it to another level. So these are the most important steps. One is your mind, you have to bring it into understanding. Second is you be aware of what you're going to do, aware of the piano, aware of all the things you're going to do. Parallelly, your desire, your thought, your imagination, your help from the universe. So this this has to go this has to go parallelly. So you have to bring harmoniously the physical aspect of learning a piano and the abstract or the spiritual aspects of learning a piano together, and you will find miracles happening to you. And this applies, my friends, to any subject or any work you do in your life. So take this technique and just see for yourself what miracles it brings into your life. Thank you, friends, for listening, and we will meet up again into our next video very shortly. Have a great day till then.